Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video we'll reveal day 17 of the Wera advent calendar. So far we have the wand halter with various hex keys, along with a pouch, handles, micro and large bits, plus our magnet. Now let's see what's behind number 17 as we move through the numbers 1 to 24, which represent the days in December before Christmas. Now what we have is the base or wall holder for the wand halter. Now let's quickly assemble the L key clip and the wand halter base. And these two pieces just simply clip into each other. Now this base is adjustable, so it could sit flat on a surface like I have it here, or you could attach it to a wall, which I'll show you later. Now don't forget to tune into the next video to reveal day 18. This pocket also had the assembly for the wall holder position. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend. Also, please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on your home garage.